Hello. Illinois Tech was born to be a different kind of university, a place founded to provide unmatched opportunity and value to students of all backgrounds. From right here on the south side of Chicago, we were born to liberate the collective power of difference, to advance technology and progress for all. That calling informs every aspect of our work at Illinois Tech. And as we join with other colleges and universities across the country to celebrate International Education Week, we'd like to thank all of you for your commitment to helping make Illinois Tech a true leader in international education. From our downtown Chicago campus to the halls of the US Congress as national co-chairs of the President's Alliance on Higher Education and Immigration, Illinois Tech not only celebrates our diverse international student population, but we work tirelessly to support and advocate for these vital members of our campus community. In a world so divided, we believe that a strong global community that celebrates our collective difference is what unites us and what enables Illinois Tech's graduates to be so successful in the global economy. More than 130 years ago, our university was envisioned as a place that would give students of all backgrounds the opportunity to have a meaningful role in a changing industrial society. And as we celebrate International Education Week in 2020, that calling remains the very bedrock of our Illinois Tech spirit. Thank you.
At Illinois Tech, we believe that our students and their success come first. To that end, we are committed to empowering each and every one of our graduates with the training, tools, and traits they will need to be successful in an increasingly globalized world. For decades, Illinois Tech has made international education and cultural understanding a hallmark of our university. Each year, we welcome students from more than 100 countries to study on our campus, and we partner with more than 30 international peer institutions to create study abroad opportunities for both inbound and outbound students. Illinois Tech is at the center of making the city of Chicago a global science and technology hub, and in doing so, we're able to provide our students with unmatched hands-on learning opportunities in every corner of the globe. Join us as we celebrate International Education Week 2020 by participating in events throughout the week. We thank you for helping to strengthen our community by embracing our role as a global campus.